Do you want to have a huge advantage over your competitors and sell to untapped markets? If so, this video is for you. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you an extreme method to expose yourself to a whole new markets and untapped audiences that nobody else is talking about. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. As well as make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post pretty much daily. And last but not least, if you want to download a full case study of my first winning store, check out the first link in the description below. So with that being said, let's start with the video. So as an advanced dropshipper, or if you're just a beginner, as you already know, the interest in dropshipping is increasing every single year. More people coming into the industry as we speak. Now, high competition does not necessarily means that this is a bad thing. It's actually a good thing, because the more people are interested in dropshipping, it means that there is money to be made in this industry. From all the knowledge that I personally have with my stores, other students that are working on their stores, and other successful dropshippers that I know, the one common thing that I can see that make them to be successful with Shopify dropshipping is that they always find a place how to innovate, how to differentiate themselves from others, and how to think outside the box. And they are the actual people that make money in this industry. This is exactly why there is no product industry niche saturation. There is just a lack of innovation and thinking outside the box. For example, the beauty niche is one of the most competitive niches out there, but there are new best-selling products coming out every single time, and the main reason for that is because they found a better way to market their products and really make them stand out. And most of dropshippers, around 99%, just trying to copy and paste other Shopify stores without changing anything and saying that, oh, this product is saturated. No, Shopify dropshipping is too saturated, too competitive. But you can see that new dropshippers and new success stories are coming out every single time. Back in 2017, when I just started my first Shopify store, there were already people saying Shopify is saturated, you already missed out. But guess what? In 2020, I'm still making money from Shopify. Now, one of the amazing things that I saw is that John from Verum Ecom used the same product that Gabriel Saint Germain. Both of them are very known dropshippers, YouTubers. And although hundreds of thousands of people saw this video and were exposed to that product, John was able to take the same posture corrector product, make a better job, although everybody said that this is a saturated product, you shouldn't test this product, and proved everybody's wrong. And the same thing happened to me with the Christmas leggings. This video was shared with hundreds of thousands of people on YouTube by Hayden Bowles and Biaheza, and guess what? Next year I took the same product and I sold it successfully and made profit. And there is a high chance that I will do the same thing on Christmas season 2020. So you see, there is no actual product or niche saturation. You just need to have a different approach and think outside the box. Don't be a sheep that follows the herd. Be the one that actually leads the herd. So not long ago, I came across with an app called Convey This. So basically what this app does, it helps you translate the whole website, your whole website, to any different language that you want. So you're probably saying to yourself, oh, wait a minute, that's it? Just translating app? Yes, translating app. This one small thing, this simple app can change your Shopify game entirely. Selling to countries in Europe like France, Spain, Italy can put you way ahead your competitors and give you a huge advantage. Even back in the days when I was dropshipping on eBay, I started dropshipping on ebay.com, which basically is the biggest eBay platform, and everybody that has a decent English can start selling on it. The main issue with that is that this platform is super competitive. So the only way that I was actually able to make money on eBay, it was by changing method, changing suppliers, or the best thing, changing platforms. While everybody was focusing on ebay.com, selling on eBay US, and literally fighting for crumbles, I was eating the whole bread when I was selling on eBay UK. Even though it's an English speaking country, most of dropshippers will not think about it. This is exactly why I was able to make way more money than others on eBay dropshipping. Now, some of my close friends that had the language were selling in countries like Italy, France, Spain, and they actually made way more money than me. But because I didn't have the language, I couldn't sell on these platforms. Another thing to keep in mind is that there are huge markets in Europe that 99.9% of dropshippers don't even think about targeting them. Matter of fact, vast majority of online consumers in the world that spends the most amount of money online shopping are not even in English speaking countries. You see what I'm getting at? Even if you are targeting all e-packet countries, you always do this one thing. In the detailed targeting, you will always pick that the language will be English all. right? Look, it makes sense because people that don't know English will probably not buy from your website. This is exactly why a simple app like Convey This can put you far ahead over your competitors. You will be basically targeting and selling to an audience that nobody else is actually targeting. Oh, and another thing that I forgot to mention, you can start using this app for free. So let me show you quickly on my computer how this app works, how it's going to look on your website. All right, so the first thing, obviously, we want to install Convey This to our Shopify store. So let's search Convey This. And there you go, this is the one. Just install it as usual to your store and open a free account with them. After that, you want to go to domains and make sure that your domain, your store is connected. Now to add the different languages, all you need to do is just to go to settings. And over here, as you can see, you can add which language that you want. Let's say Russian. Let's add it. And after that, all you have left to do is just click Save Configurations. All right, so let's see how it looks on our website. So let me just move my face over here, right? Bro, you take too much space. So as you can see, we have this thing over here, which is the translation tab. So all you need to do is just to change the language. Let's say Hebrew. Boom, everything is changed. The description, like everything is changed over here. Another cool thing that I just found out is that they are also translating your reviews, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, everything in Hebrew. Let's say I want to change it to Russian. Okay, which I don't know how to read Russian, but a little bit. So as you can see, everything, boom, everything is in Russian. Let's do Espanol. Boom, in a matter of like seconds. Now I have to say that the translation, of course, it's not like 100% accurate. There are some errors. So let's say even if it's like 80-90% correct, you are already 89% ahead of your competitors. Again, my face is just stuck here on the middle. So let's move, man. So another cool thing that you can do over here is that if you're going to click on show more options, over here you can select this thing, redirect visitors to translated pages automatically based on user browser settings, meaning that if somebody, let's say from Israel, comes to my website, automatically going to show him everything translated already to Hebrew. Now if we'll go over the plans over here, you have also paid plans and you have a free plan. As I said, the free plan gives you one language, gives you 2,500 words and up to 10,000 views a month. That is more than enough to start. You can start testing that and see if you're actually getting good results with it. Then you can consider do the same thing and tap into different markets, different countries. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to translate your website to a whole different new language and start selling in any country that you want. You have huge consuming countries in Europe like Germany, France, Italy, Sweden, Portugal, and many others. So this one single app, this one small idea can give you a huge advantage over your competitors. You will be able to market and sell your products to those countries and this huge untapped audience with nobody else competing with you. As I mentioned before, this concept worked extremely well on eBay dropshipping. It helped me making a lot of money and also other dropshippers. So there is no reason why it shouldn't work on Shopify. If you will ask me what is the #1 Europe country that I want to sell to, it's going to be Germany. Germany is one of the top consuming countries, but unfortunately I don't have the language, and to pay for somebody to translate my website can cost a lot of money. So this app is an awesome solution, free solution to translate your website to a different language and start testing new markets. I will leave a link to this app in the description below. Go ahead, check it out and test it yourself. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and you took some value out of it. If you did, make sure to punch that like button, punch it, and of course don't forget to join the family, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. As well as make sure to follow me on Instagram where I post pretty much daily. And of course don't forget to download my free case study for my first winning Shopify store. I will leave a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, my friends, peace.